you know I gotta come by on my day off to one of my most favorite places in the world, Bombay Beach. And everywhere you look, man, we got art pieces everywhere. Everything here is an art piece, from pieces of cars, street signs to caution signs, everything. Everything can be something in Bombay Beach. And there's so many little pieces in here. Like these are from tin cans, tops of tin cans from an old weldy pipe. We have the Da Vinci fish, which is gills and everything. Very cool. This is made by John Murray. They say LA got that good gas, but Bombay got that better gas. Wow. You know? Look who's in the house. Mr. Channel 5 himself.
Yeah, on the low. Telemundo himself.
Mr. Nifty Nickel on the low. All right, everybody, we're right up here in the house of Cody, the Blau House. The best place in Bombay, for sure the highest swing set. Now, believe it or not, we are on top of a bus, B-U-S, and we were allowed to come here by our homie Cody. It's a nice area. This view is super fun. It shows you two things: how worn down Bombay Beach is, and also the rebirth of people moving in town, fixing things up, and bringing back the beauty up. You can certainly see that this is a place that it's seen better days, but at the same time, it's definitely coming back on the rise. I believe in the future, this place is going to be full of art. Now we're going to take a look inside the Blau House. We're getting permission by our dog Cody. Woohoo! Oh, jeez. Oh, snap. Wow. Damn, this is actually super comfortable. So if you ever come to the Blau House, man, this is how it looks. Exclusive look. This place is Blau House, Mr. Cody's personal van, which now he has set up as a home shift, a place for friends and visitors who want to come and refresh themselves in moments of peace. So the cool thing about this place, it's like a little area where our man Cody owns. He has art here. You can like sit, I'm assuming get your little smoke on, sit down right here. Shoot. You got some art. Do your art stuff right here. You got the books. You got the fan. I mean, look at this place. It's pretty cool. If I were to say, forget this life and do what I want, I'll probably do something like this. I may do something like this in the future. You never know. Lord knows I get tired of my world. Got a little cooler here. Got some snacks. Got a trash bin. This is a super cool area. Here, Mr. Cody shows us his super rare truck. Got the LaCroix in the front.
Yeah. And it's like, dude, I was
Cool.
gonna buy a truck. I was gonna buy a new truck, and it's like trucks are fucking expensive, man. And this shit was in Japan. I bought it for $5,000 and spent like another 3 or 4 getting it over here and titled and everything.
While cruising the town of Bombay, I saw this new building. I wasn't sure if it was an installation or a home, but I believe it was a home. It looked like a giant stack of customized painted cards. It seems like this person built a makeshift home that I assume that someone built themselves. Places like this always show why Bombay Beach is one of the most artistic places in the world. From installations to homemade houses with bare essentials. This is the type of ingenuity and creativity that you always see on display at Bombay Beach. It looked like every single inch of this place was being customized and painted. And from the looks of it, it looks like they're getting started. So if you ever see this in the future, it's probably going to be even more decked out. So keep a lookout for this place. A place that they call El Tempo Mayor. Another shout out for the owner and artist. A place like this would take so much work and patience. I can't even imagine. The shores of Bombay Beach is ever changing. Creative minds are always looking to add something to the atmosphere for themselves and for visitors that come. No two visits are ever the same. This is what always has me and many others coming to visit and see what's new, what's next. And here I ask a visitor what brings him to see this place. In Bombay Beach, you're never going to know who you ran into. I ran into my dog who I just met from Tucson, Arizona, yes. Coach Zach.
How we doing? All the way from the Dirty T.
The Dirty T to the Dirty D.
Yeah, there we go.
No Diddy. I do have a question. What do you coach?
It was volleyball.
Volleyball.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, while you balling on the course, we balling in Bombay Beach.
There we go.
I'm glad we crossed paths, bud.
Yes.
There we go.
There we go.
My dog.
Yes.
Yeah. So, well, nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah. Likewise. There's a lot of cool stuff down there.
Nah. I would love to meet a nice, strange woman. Bring her to Bombay Beach and say, would you marry me? Right on the shores of the sea. In all seriousness, I'm not sure if there's a woman who would love to be proposed to at Bombay Beach. Ladies, if your man proposed to you here, what would you say? Leave your answer in the comments. Anywho, back to the video. Since my last visit here, there's been some new installations added. Installations to add with the awesome views we have here. I mean, granted, as an outsider, this place looks crazy, but for me, this place always looks so fun. I'm definitely someone who enjoys a nice odyssey. Anywho, this is one of the new installations that I haven't seen in person yet. The octopus limb. Definitely had to go take a cruise around that. It's so huge in person. And we have some old favorites like the pyramid. But unfortunately up close, you can see that it's very deteriorating. December 20th, 2025. We've seen a lot of receding from the Salton Sea, but if you're lucky, one of the places that you should always come to is the dock. The dock isn't always here because depending on when you come, this dock right here might be gone. It might be receded way over there. But as of right now, this is a new dock that the people made here. The residents of Bombay Beach, they got together, they redid their dock, and they made it even further to make up for the receding. But when you come over here, you know, got a nice little seat. You sit down. I would never ever recommend leaning back because you might fall in the water. So when you take a seat right here, enjoy the view. Don't sit back. And these seats right here, take a seat. These seats here, you can just enjoy the beach for what it is. And in the winter, it don't even smell bad. It smells like a regular sea, to be honest. Look at that view. We're in the water. You know, just a little taste. Many people have drowned in the Salton Sea, but you know, from this way, we're on a boat, and you know, enjoying the breeze, enjoying this slice of life. I've always wished to be a pirate, and look at me now, Bombay Beach pirate. Life ain't too bad like this. Life ain't too bad. It's kind of sweet. I know what they say. They say Bomb Beach is dying. It's dead. Maybe, but as of right now, every time I come by, still like to enjoy what we got it. And I would say, I would differ. I would say there's a lot of life. There's a lot of character to it still. Residents moving out here and being creative with this land, and you know, it's a cool, funky day trip to come to. So kudos to everybody here. Everyone's here is so welcoming. All right, guys, this is the end of the video. And if you like what you saw, definitely show love by subscribing, and sharing. I got a nice, ambitious cameraman who always likes to see the numbers go up. So please, guys, we want to see definitely more things. And if you ever want to help us, this is definitely the way. So once again, like, comment, share, subscribe. Appreciate you guys, and we'll show you guys some more goodies.